Online shopping fraud exposed. So I wanted to buy an Insta 360R and a GoPro Hero 7, and Google displayed me this ad on YouTube. So in this ad, they say that you can get an Insta 360R and a GoPro Hero 7 for 1,899 at a very cheap rate. I started thinking very emotionally and I went with the decision. I ordered it cash on delivery, and to my surprise, it turned out to be fake. This website bestestock has a lot of consumer court complaints running on Google. They have lots of videos saying that it's a scam. I didn't do it and I ordered it. So what you get in this box is you get a pair of old cheap headphones, China headphones, and these are sold by a company called Rare Deals, New Delhi. So when I called on this number, it says that this number is no more applicable. It's out of service. This was just one scam that I wanted to tell you about so that you are informed. You don't go and buy it. It's totally fake. 100% it's fake. You're not lucky. It's not cheap at all. Just don't buy it. Thanks for watching. Bye.